Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize connect SurveyMonkey to Google Sheets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the SurveyMonkey website. Log into your SurveyMonkey account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate and select the survey you wish to connect to Google Sheets. On the survey dashboard, look for the Analyze Results tab and click on it. In the Analyze Results section, find and click on the Export button. From the Export options, select Google Sheets. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to authorize the connection. Click on the Authorize button in the pop-up window. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page if you are not already signed in. Enter your Google account credentials and sign in to your Google account. After signing in, you may see a permission request from SurveyMonkey. Review the permissions and click on the Allow button to grant access. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to SurveyMonkey. Confirm that the connection to Google Sheets has been established. Now, you can select the data you want to export to Google Sheets. Click the Export button to send your survey data to a new Google Sheets document. The exported data will open in Google Sheets, formatted and ready for your use. You can now access your survey responses directly from Google Sheets whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.